Respected sir, Mahamati Manush is the Magna Carta of the governance of West Bengal and our party, and I feel truly honored that today I've been given the opportunity to talk on a ministry which is intrinsic to the Mahamati Manush of the country. हमारे किसान अपनी मवेशी को, अपनी फसल को माँ की तरह पूछते हैं, जिस खेत में वो हल चलाते हैं उस जमीन को नमन करते हैं. But does this major sector get support from the government? Sir, Indian agriculture supplies around 58% of India's livelihood and is a principal source of income for half of the population, accounting for 17 to 18% of the country's GDP. 70% of India's rural poor depend on livestock and farm animals. But does this sector get what it deserves? इसका जवाब अगर आप देश के किसान से पूछेंगे तो वो आपको यही बात बोलेंगे कि चाय से शुरू हुई थी सरकार और गाय पे अटक गई और विकास की मौसी 10 साल में रास्ते में भटक गई. Sir, exorbitantly high cost of cattle and poultry feed under the mismanagement of this sector by the current government and wholesale fodder inflation hovering between 25% to 28.6% in the last 2 to 3 years, it is a 9-year high. Sir, किसान खुद क्या खाएंगे? अपने परिवार के लोगों का खिलाएंगे? अपनी गाय भैंस भेड़ बकरी को क्या खिलाएंगे? सर, ऐसे ही वारदात होते हैं जहां गरीबी से जूझता हुआ एक किसान उसको अपनी गाय भेड़ बकरी को बेचने में मजबूर करते हैं और अंत में जाके वो अपनी खुद की जान ले लेते हैं. सर, पिछले 10 सालों में 1,12,000 किसानों ने इस देश में आत्महत्या की. एनसीआरबी की एक रिपोर्ट के अनुसार 10 साल में हर दिन इस देश में एवरेज में 30 किसान हर दिन अपनी जान ले लेते हैं. सर, इस देश के लोगों का यही है किस्सा कि जिसको जिताया वो राजा की तरह जाएगा और जिन्होंने जिताया वो फकीर की तरह. सर, ये बहुत गौरक्षा की भी बातें करते हैं. देश के लोगों को ये पता होना चाहिए that there is a fodder crisis in India and the union minister has himself stated in a written reply in Rajya Sabha that yes, the country is deficit in fodder. So it means that cows are dying without food in government-owned goshalas, especially the BJP-ruled state. 74,000 cattle had died at Panjrapols in Sundarnagar and Banaskantha district of Gujarat in the last 3 years. 200 cows were found dead in Madhya Pradesh's Shivpuri district. 173 cows allegedly died in a week in Chhattisgarh. And 74,016 cows had died in Hingonia Gaushala in Jaipur during the previous BJP government in Rajasthan. तो सर, पहले खाना ही नहीं मिला, फॉडर क्राइसिस. फिर मिल भी जाए तो इतना महंगा कि किसान खरीद ही नहीं पा रहा है, फॉडर इन्फ्लेशन. और सर, खाना मिल भी जाए तो पशुओं की बीमारी. उससे मुकाबला करने के लिए इस सरकार ने क्या किया? The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture, Animal Husbandry and Food Processing presented its report which stated that 32.7 lakh cattle were infected by the viral lumpy skin disease across several states and a whopping 2.4 lakh cattle died within months. ये बोलते हैं कि गाय हमारी माता है पर माँ की रक्षा करना इन्हें नहीं आता है.
Social infrastructure and efforts for West Bengal in that direction. 38 lakh houses built for the poor under PM Awas. 93 lakh tap water connection provided on Jal Jeevan Mission, West Bengal. 83 lakh household toilets built under Swachh Bharat Mission, West Bengal. 494 Jan Aushadhi Kendras operationalized in West Bengal. 5.3 crore Jan Dhan accounts open, West Bengal. 5 crore Mudra accounts sanctioned for West Bengal. Bengal, they should be patient. I have more things. Sir, I was listening to the speaker from Bengal, sir. He said Bengal Virodhi budget. I want to address that, sir. Sir, Bengal MPs, sir, spoke about financial blockade. हाँ,
यूपी आएगा.
मैं आ रही बैठिए, मैं आ रही, मैं आ रही हूँ, बैठिए. हाँ जी, सर, financial blockade they charged us with financial blockade allegations. Like every other state, sir, PM Awas Yojana Gramin is being implemented in West Bengal since 2016-17. The government has released 25,798 crore as central share to the state since 2016-17. 25,798 crore, only central share. It's gone. However, complaints of irregularities, I will give you. Complaints of irregularities in the implementation of PM Awas Yojana Gramin, including a selection of ineligible households from Awas 2018 Awas Plus, removal of eligible households and branding violations were received.
We are hearing this allegation for last 3 years.
There have been similar complaints about Manrega. Ministry Rural Development is engaging with West Bengal and for a satisfactory reply. Sir, now I come to the specific data. It's ironical that Trinamool, which means grassroots, which means grassroots, Congress that prides itself on being rooted in the grassroots now symbolizes harassment and denial of rights to the common people in the grassroots. I'll give you examples for that, sir. 25 lakh fake job cards in Manrega. Funds meant for people at the grassroots have been looted by the carders. 100 crore midday meal fraud. 100 crore midday meal fraud. Ration mafia thriving in the state on grassroots level. Ayushman Bharat was blocked and denied healthcare the poor living in the grassroots. 43% tap water coverage in Bengal as opposed to 74% national average. 74% national average, Bengal is at 43%. That's the average. Sir, important. Capital formation crashed from 6.7% in 2010 to 2.9% in the recent years. No jobs, no factories, no vision. That's Bengal for you, sir. Industrial powerhouse. Bengal was industrial powerhouse. 24% share when in 1947 during independence Bengal had 24% share in manufacturing. Today it has 3.5%, sir. Bengal's per capita income growth lags behind the national average. For the last 20 years, per capita income of Bengal lags behind the national average for last 20 years. It's ranked 23rd. In 21-22, it was 23rd among all states of India.